Oh yeah, hey guys, it's me, Scott, your web hosting pro from HostGator. In this episode of Hosted, I'll answer the age-old question, what is virtual private server hosting, and do I need it? And stick around for some virtual tips from my virtual poker buddy, Russell. What's up, bro? A virtual private server is just that. It's a server that's private and virtual. My job here is done. Shortest episode ever. Okay, it's a little more complicated than that. If you've clicked on this episode to learn more, you're probably in the novice to intermediate level user looking to build more than just a basic site. And the other two main options available to you are shared hosting and dedicated server hosting. Shared being hosting space on servers that share server resources with other users and websites, and dedicated, at the other end of the spectrum, is a full physical server dedicated to one user. Well, virtual private server hosting is a beautiful hybrid of the two, hosting on a server that physically shares space but with dedicated resources, effectively giving the user their own dedicated server, but virtually.
Whoa.
Those dedicated resources are things like RAM, CPU cores, solid-state rated hard drive disk space, and bandwidth. For more information on the four main types of hosting we offer, check out this video right here. So what's the big whoop? I'll tell you what the big whoop is. The big whoop is that with VPS, those dedicated resources are guaranteed for your virtual server, and you're more isolated from other users of the same physical server. This means your site will be faster because you're not sharing RAM or bandwidth, your security will be tighter, and you have more customization, control, and flexibility over the server settings, operating system, scripts, and more since you have direct root server access. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. But why might you need a VPS? Well, here to tell why VPS is the right solution for you, Russell. Hey Russell, how's it going?
I'm good, how are you?
Great. So, why might they need a VPS?
Well, for the advanced user, there are tons of reasons to use a VPS or dedicated environment, like creating your own gaming server, or testing new applications you're designing, or using it as an online file storage solution if your plan allows. But for the novice to intermediate user, a VPS would be a great decision as your site starts to grow. A VPS is extra great for a growing site because of the extra control and easy scalability. Since there's no migration of physical stuff, we are able to upgrade resources you need on the back end with essentially the click of a button. Additionally, the inherent and added security features of VPS help keep your site safer than in a shared environment.
Thanks, Russell. So the virtual reality of the situation is that right out of the gate as a beginner or someone with a simple online portfolio, the resources of a shared environment will probably suit your needs. But as you grow in popularity because you're a host of a web hosting internet show, maybe, and your traffic starts to go through the roof or whatever, or you have a growing online business or web store or something, then a virtual private server would be an excellent and worthy investment. Also, the beauty of HostGator hosting is that we can start you out in a shared plan, and when you're ready to make the switch, we can easily move you over to a VPS server so you can power up your hosting as you grow. So nice.
So nice.
Well, there you have it, VPS, Virtual Private Server. Now, if you'll excuse us, Mike and I have a virtual reality shoot to get to. Okay, bye. Oh, hey, Virtual Mike. What's going on?
Oh, hey.
Virtual handshake. Mike, are you do you like virtual reality stuff?
Are we not in virtual reality right now?
Well, where is that coming from? It is quite real though. Oh, the Matterhorn.